Hello everyone, it's Living Online here for Server.pro, and today I'll be showing you how to download backpacks without mods. The Working Backpacks Datapack adds backpacks into vanilla Minecraft. To craft said backpacks, you need to use this recipe. When you acquire the backpack, you'll be able to put it in your shield slot to equip it on your back. As you can see, if you press F5, it's there. However, say you have an inventory full of things and you want to use your backpack to store some items. All you have to do is right-click with the backpack equipped. That'll switch you to your backpack inventory. As you can see, the items I have in my inventory aren't showing because we've switched to the backpack slots. You can store anything you want in here, and when you're done, all you have to do is right click again to go back to your normal inventory. It's as easy as that. That's not it though, you can also change the color of your backpack to a couple variants. For example, if you use this crafting recipe, you'll acquire a rainbow backpack. The models of different colors look the same when you equip them, but if you want to find out what other color backpacks you can get, make sure to go to the official download page. There you'll see a video the creator has made showing all the variants. Now you're probably wondering how you can download and play with this data pack. Well, I'll be showing you how to do so in the next segment, so stay tuned. Firstly, you can use the link in the description to get to the official download page. Scroll down to the button saying download datapack and click it. That'll redirect you to a page which will instantly download the datapack zip. Since there's also a required resource pack, make sure to go back and click on the download required resource pack button. Once that download is complete, we then recommend you move both zips to a place where you can easily access, for example, your desktop. For this step, you're going to have to go to the Server.pro website and access your server control panel from there. At the dashboard, make sure that the server version matches the datapack version to ensure no complications. The creator states that this datapack is compatible with versions 1.17 to 1.18, so I set my server to 1.18.2. Before proceeding to the next step, quickly confirm that the server is offline. What you're going to do first is head to the Files tab. Click on the World folder and then the Datapacks folder. Here's where you're going to drag the Working Backpacks Datapack zip you downloaded at the beginning of the video. And that's it, the datapack is uploaded onto your world. Now that the datapack is uploaded onto the server, we have to make sure the resource pack is also installed. To do that, you'll want to head back to the Files tab. Then open up the Server.properties file and look for the line saying resource pack. After the equals, you want to right click and paste the link to the required resource pack. We ourselves have uploaded that file to our Dropbox, so if you'd like you can use our link, it'll be in the description. Alternatively though, you can upload the resource pack to any website that supports creations of hotlinks and put your own hotlink into the Server.properties file. Before continuing, make sure to press Save File to confirm the changes, and then all you have to do is log into your server to experience the new additions. You can do this by turning your server on. After it's booted up, head to the dashboard and copy the host name. Quickly launch your Minecraft application, and when it's open, head to the multiplayer section. Click Add Server, and in the server address section, paste the host name. When you join the server, you'll be prompted with this pop-up asking if you want to download and install the required texture pack. We recommend pressing yes, so every time you join the server in the future, it'll be automatically enabled. Well, that's it for this video. If you have any questions, make sure to leave them down below. And if you enjoyed this video, subscribe to see more from our channel. Thank you for watching.